Exercise 2.3 is related to subtraction. All of you are familiar with subtraction. So let us practice few questions. Few parts I will try of question number 1. First question I already arranged. Now you can see we cannot subtract 9 from 15. So for that we need to carry 1 from the next column. Then it will become 3. 15 minus 9 is 6. Come to the next part now. We can't subtract 9 from 3. So again we have to carry from the next column and 3 will become 13. Clear? And here 5 will change to 4. Now 13 minus 9 is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. Same problem. We can't subtract 9 from 4. So we need to carry from the next column. It will become 14 and here will come 7. Now 14 minus 9. What is 14 minus 9? That is 5. Next 7 minus 4 is 3. Again 7 minus 3 is 4. We can't subtract 8 from 3. So we will carry it from the next column and here it will become 13. Now 13 minus 8 is 5. Here will come 0. Again we can't subtract 9 from 0. We need to carry from the next column. It will become 3 and here it will become 10. Now 10 minus 9 is 1 and 3 minus 2 is also 1. This is your answer. Second part, children. All the values are 0 and we can see that we can't subtract these values from 0. So what we'll do? We have to carry from 6. It will change to 5 and this term will become 10. Here 9, 9 and 9. 10 minus 9, 1. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 9, 0. Same problem. We need to carry because we can't subtract 7 from 5. Now 15 minus 7. What is 15 minus 7? That is 15 minus 7 is 8. Now again the same thing. 8 we can't subtract from 5. So we need to carry from the next column. Will become 15. Now 15 minus 8 is 7. Here 4 changes to 3. We can't subtract 5 from 3. So carry from the next column. 3 will change to 13 and 4 will become 3. Now 13 minus 5. What is 13 minus 5? 8. And 3 minus 2 is 1. This is your answer. Same way, children. The next question. As we can't subtract 7 from 6. So we need to carry. As the values are 0, 0 here. We need to carry from 7. It will change to 6. Here will come 9. And this value will become 16. Now 16 minus 7 is 9. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 9, 0. 6 minus 6, we can't subtract 8 from 6. So the same procedure. We will take carry from the next column and 6 will change to 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. We can't subtract 6 from 2. So the same procedure. As the values are 0, we need to carry from 4. Then these two values will change to 9 and here will come 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 8, 1. Now again we can't subtract 9 from 3. So we need to carry from the next column and 3 will change to 13 and 5 will change to 4. 13 minus 9 is 4 and 4 minus 2 is 2. This is your final answer. With this, your exercise 2.3 question number 1 is completed. Now come to the question number 2 of this exercise. Find the difference between. Children, you have to be very careful while doing this question as the values are not arranged in the column properly. So your first step is to find out the greater number. So for that you will count the number of digits or directly also you can find out. Count the number of digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. as you can see, both the number of digits in both the cases are same, then simply you can find out it is 53 and this is 87. So you have to see which one is greater. This is greater, so we will write this value first. As we can't subtract this from this value, so it is necessary to find out the greater number. I am going to write here 8, 7, 6, 5, 9, 4, 8, 7, 2. Next, the important thing which I already discussed with you, always start from right hand side. 7, 2, 5, then 2, 4, 0, 4, 3 and then 5. Now the question becomes same as of question number first, all the parts which we have done. Let's do. We can't subtract 12. I think I should leave this question for you. My children are smart enough to solve this question, so try this question yourself. Next is, again you count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again the digits are same. So children, you can easily find out which one is greater. Yes, 75, this value is greater. So let's arrange this value in the column. Again, we have to start from right hand side. 5, 7, 2, 2, 4, 5, 1, 7 and 6. So this question also you have to try yourself. Come to the next part, children. Count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This number carries 8 digits and here 7 digits are there. So children, it is understood the number which is having more digits will be greater. So which is greater? This number is greater. So we'll be writing this number 5, 0, 5, 4, 8, 0, 1, 8. Now start from the right side. 1, 3, 5, 9, 7, 8 and 2. Now you can subtract it. 8 minus 1, 7. Carry from the next.